This color-safe, keratin-enhanced deep conditioner is infused with vanilla fruit extracts to condition and smooth dry, damaged hair. Keratin, wheat and soy proteins restore moisture and shine to improve hair's overall look and feel. Blend of botanical extracts nourishes to promote healthy hair and scalp. Great for all hair types, especially dry, dull, damaged and over-processed hair. A rich, vanilla-infused conditioning treatment that creates an indulgent aromatherapy experience while providing optimal nourishment for healthier-looking hair. Ingredients: water, Aqua, O, Cetearyl alcohol, Glyceryl stearate, Behentrimonium methosulfate, Stearalkonium chloride, Isopropyl palmitate, vanilla Planifolia fruit extract, vanilla Planifolia seed powder, Dicetyldimonium chloride, Cetrimonium chloride, hydrogenated jojoba oil, hydrolyzed soy protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein, Achillea Millefolium extract, Aloe Barbadensis leaf juice, Calendula Officinalis flower extract, Chamomilla recutita, Matricaria, flower extract, Cymbopogon schonanthus, lemongrass, extract, Geranium maculatum extract, Hamamelis virginiana, witch hazel, leaf extract, hydrolyzed keratin, Melissa officinalis leaf extract, Quercus alba bark extract, Rosa canina fruit extract, Salvia officinalis, sage, leaf extract, Symphytum officinale leaf extract, citric acid, methylchlorisothiazolanin, methylisothiazolinone, coumarin, fragrance, parfum. Directions: after shampooing, apply a small amount of conditioner in small sections, distributing evenly throughout the hair, concentrating on the ends. For an intensive conditioning treatment, cover hair with a plastic cap for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Style as desired. Top reviews from the United States. Treat your hair. This deep conditioner helps restore moisture and shine to your hair, especially after dye. It also reinforces keratin treatment, helping it last longer.